to Cedar Lake actually, because there's no water. Oh, it hurts.
There's a little bit of water.
Oh man, I'm gonna just rub my neck.
School is here.
Not now.
School is here. Let me stop in my bed. Here. School is here. I'm here. Okay. He said, why do you have a abandoned John? Why do you have a abandoned?
It must be Cedar Lake. There's Cedar Lake earlier.
Yeah, I was just thinking, like, I could just look at Google Maps.
Yeah.
Let's go back home.
Hanover Community Schools, though, is that way.
Here it is.
Maybe it's Hanover.
What? Your finger? Yeah, I look.
Let's see.
Okay, you have to go to the hospital. Sorry, bye. School is over. Actually, school's still here. You don't have to
Cedar
go to
Lake,
the hospital.
so way over there.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, I bet we are.
School is here.
We're gonna turn left on 41 north and we'll
Wait,
get where's that?
We're on 41.
In 3.2 miles. Oh, sorry, we're gonna go to 109th Avenue. Do you see that anywhere? 3 miles. It's probably that highway.
School is here. School is here. School is here. Remember, school is
Yeah,
here.
Cedar Lake. So we are in Cedar Lake.
School is here. That's cool. Wake up.
Good try, screw. Squeeze in my neck while we're stopped.
Alright.
Okay, we're not. Not if we are. Doesn't feel that tense, huh? Can you try doing this real fast? Or?
Looks like his arms.
Ooh,
Yeah, that's where it is.
Yeah.
Hands gonna break off.
Alright, we'll figure it out later. It's like I know it feels bad somewhere.
If you see where it looks, it's gonna break. Hand's gonna break off.
Okay, well, now we're stopping again. What's this way?
Bye bye, we're home. Hey, we're learning about books, girl books, and how to like. So, it's okay. Harper.
Okay, well, let's stop.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay. It's Harry O's Family Restaurant and Cocktail Lounge.
Where?
Harper! That is a little bit too loud, huh?
What is that? School time. School time. School time. School time. School time. School time. How about his fingers back on? I want my fingers back. Oh, good. Today we're gonna learn about girls. Hey, how to like my stuff. Where is it? What do I need? Where are you? You need your backpack. You need pencils. You need your face to draw on. You need to cut your face off. You need your body.
Guys! No, you're being too loud, both of you. Harper and Warren. I know, you guys are being a little bit too loud again. That's fine,
You
just
can
turn it
be
up just a
silly.
little bit.
But you have to be silly being quieter.
Yep. We're not asking for a lot, honey.
We're just looking for inside voices.
Yep, that's all.
You can eat.
Combo. Mexican restaurant, cabinet store, physical therapy, car dealership.
Your face.
And then Italian, pizza place.